Hello everyone, so today I'll be discussing about food safety and food spoilage and how we can apply simple microbiology concepts in our daily cooking. So these are the table of contents as to what I'll be discussing throughout my presentation. So first, let's dive into what exactly is food safety and food spoilage. So food safety refers to the handling, preparing, and storing food in a way that prevents illnesses. On the other hand, food spoilage happens when food becomes unsafe or unacceptable to eat due to the growth of microorganisms such as bacteria, molds, and yeast and/or parasites. Um, so these microbes break down food, causing changes in smell, taste, and texture. So next we'll talk about the factors affecting food spoilage. So according to the study by Maffei et al. 2024, food spoilage is influenced by three main factors such as the enzymatic reactions, microbial growth, and chemical changes, all of which contribute to the deterioration of food quality and food safety. So first, we have the enzymatic reactions. So these naturally happen in food even after it is harvested or cooked. So these enzymes break down nutrients, causing changes like browning in fruits, softening of vegetables, and the loss of flavor. Next, we have the microbial growth, which is a major cause of food spoilage. So microorganisms like bacteria, molds, and yeast grow on food, breaking it down and producing bad smells, slimes, and sometimes harmful toxins. So this happens faster in warm, moist conditions or when food is not stored properly. Lastly, we have chemical changes, which also affects food quality. So reactions like oxidation can cause fats to become rancid and change the color, taste, and texture of food, especially when exposed to air, light, and heat. So these factors often work together, accelerating food spoilage and reducing both the safety and quality of food, highlighting the importance of proper handling, storage, and prevention methods. So next, we're going to talk about its relation to microbiology. So microbiology helps us understand how these microorganisms grow, survive, and spread, which explains why practices like proper hand washing, cooking at the right temperature, and refrigeration are effective in controlling them. So by applying microbiological principles, individuals can interrupt microbial growth, reducing contamination, and ensure that food remains both safe to eat and of good quality. So next we're going to talk about how to prevent food spoilage, specifically the 5 keys to safer food according to the WHO. So for the first key is to keep clean. So wash your hands, utensils, and surfaces regularly, and rinse fruits and vegetables before use. The second key is to separate raw and cooked food. So keep raw meat away from ready to eat food and use separate tools to avoid cross contamination. Next is to cook thoroughly. So cook food completely to ensure that harmful bacteria or harmful microorganisms are killed. Um, Lastly, we use safe water and raw materials. So use water and fresh and safe ingredients to prevent contamination. So to conclude, food safety and food spoilage are closely related to microbiology because microorganisms play a major role in both. By understanding how these microbes grow and spread, we can apply simple practices to keep our food safe and fresh. Following proper hygiene, cooking, and storage methods can help protect our health and reduce food waste. That is all. Thank you.